Hello Lumsy team, welcome back to my channel Lumsy Souls. I welcome you, my new team and the old ones. I'll be showing you how to attach an invisible zip, or rather hidden zip, as you can see. In my previous video I made how to draft a skirt pattern and also how to sew pencil skirts with invisible zip and skirt vent. So today I'm going to be using this mock to show you how to make an invisible zip. In my previous video we have made a block, a part skirt block, and we have made a pencil skirt. You can go ahead and check the description below in the description button. So some people might use a gum, some people might use a running stitch. It depends on what you want to use, but for me I would like to just go ahead and use my invisible zipper to hold this. So I'll go ahead and hold it now to show you. I hold it in place. I hold it in place with my running stitches, the highest stitch. So stopping somewhere there, assuming that's where your skirt will stop, so we stop there. You go ahead and attach the second part to this side. So as you can see where this stopped, so you stop the same place on the second part. I'm going to be changing it to this foot. This is the foot you're going to be using. As you can see, this would, in this groove, that's where your zipper will be entering. So we're going to be doing that now to show you. So I'm going to be changing this to this zipper. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, because I'll be uploading very detailed and very simple sewing tutorials and DIYs. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be opening this up. As you can see this place, you open it up and attach, place this under the zipper and then sew it. So I'm going to be doing that now. This is under the groove. I'm going to be sewing inside this groove here, and I'm going to be opening it up like so. You can go ahead and iron this out, but for easier work you go ahead and open it up. So I'm going to be doing that now. You're going to be using your normal stitch to do this. You're going to be doing that to the second side. So you're going to be doing that to the second side. So I'll go ahead and do that. Open it up. Insert the groove. Go ahead, open it up as you're sewing it. If you just open it up, it will not be invisible. The zip will still be showing. So you go ahead and do that like so. As you can see how invisible, you can't see your zip anymore. It's very neat. So the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be closing this, and we want it to be like so. Nobody will see where the joining is. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be changing this back to the invisible zipper foots. So the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be sewing here. Remember, your allowance is 1/2 inch. For some people that like to do their allowance 1 inch, it depends on how you want to do it, but for me, I like to make my allowance 1/2 inch. So you start with your 1/2 inch and you come all the way up. As you're coming up, you make sure that you sew it as close as possible to meet where the sewing started, where you stopped your sewing. So that's where we're coming to. You come in as close as you can. As you can see how close it came. So when you turn it the other way around, as you can see, you will not see where it is joined. So it is neatly done. You go ahead and do so. Thank you guys.